Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, happy Friday. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So, let's see what is happening in the crypto market. So, I know it's weekend, so you guys want to go and enjoy your weekend. So, quickly, let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the crazy world of crypto. The crypto market. So, guys, it's still holding strong. What's happening? Yeah, evening. My man, how are you all doing? Good evening, guys. How are you all doing? Happy weekend. And a happy new month too. So because I did not stream yesterday, yeah. Happy new month, Favor. How are you all doing? Miraculous. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So Bitcoin is still will be strong. So even if as you guys can see, we are touching just like the monthly high once again. So Bitcoin is popping, is holding strong. It's holding above $97,000. So guys, we will be next. What will be the next support is between which is 102,000. So that is what I think we should be heading to next. So, but we all know that it's wicked, and the way may be trying to push the market down for now. So there's not much volume. So, but the market is still holding strong. So, but we all know it's weekend. Today is Friday. So tomorrow is Saturday. So between this Saturday, Sunday, the market may be stagnant for now. But don't be afraid. Don't panic. So guys, so seller to raise more funds to buy more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to buy more Bitcoin. We all know that the world is focused more on Bitcoin as for now. So this is why even if today we'll be looking into the Bitcoin dominance. So how much percentage that the Bitcoin dominance is still holding in the market, the crypto market. Yeah, guys, as always, so the NFTs, I'm still okay. Which is the giveaway, which I promised that I will be sending to you guys. So I'm still thinking of it, how I will be able to send it to you guys. It may be there is one meme coin which I bought during the weekend, so I'm holding a huge amount of it. Maybe I will be sending. I will tell you guys to drop a Solana address in one of my videos, so which I will send you guys. Send you guys the the meme coin, so that maybe when it finally grow up, so you guys at least you'll be able to sell. So it's a meme coin. So there is one meme coin which I trade during the week. So I do have some of it in my wallet, which is about how much. So I do have a huge amount of it on my wallet. So I will be sending it to you guys. So guys, Michael Saylor, they already raised about 50 something billion US dollars to buy Bitcoin, which they are holding today. He said they have to raise another $57 billion to buy more Bitcoin. So, which we'll be looking into that. Not just that, there's a lot of fantastic headline which we'll be looking into. So let's quickly check the market. As you guys can see, so the market is still holding strong. So we're still not that with the weekly trade. So it's just like we are flat. The market is flat, as you guys can see. So which is fantastic, because you guys can see Bitcoin is trading above $97,000 once again. So this is huge. So we show that so the market is still holding strong. So you guys can see. So guys, I always smash the like and press the subscribe button. Don't so always turn on your notification bell. Try to make sure share the stream with your friends and family, so they could be able to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So let's dive into the market. So guys, even if there are some fantastic news about our altcoin holding. So Monero, there's also a huge news about Monero that the European Union will be banning Monero. That is because it's a security coin. So which we will also be looking into that. You guys can see that most of the altcoin are still holding strong. But let's quickly see the Bitcoin dominance. Guys, as you guys can see on my screen, I don't know, let me move this camera so you guys can see the Bitcoin dominance better. So guys, over the past few months, Bitcoin dominance since let's say since January. So since January, that is because Bitcoin hit all-time high January. Since January, as you guys can see it over here, this is okay since ending of January. So at the beginning of February, Bitcoin dominance has been skyrocketing over the past few months. That is because the institution which are coming into the market right now, they are putting their money, they are adding their money into Bitcoin. You guys can see it over here. The orange line, this is the Bitcoin dominant. It's still holding about 64% of the total market share. We show that if you are thinking right now, why is the altcoin are not popping? Why is the altcoin is not popping? Like for example, you can see it over here that the Ethereum dominance, it has been dropping like a rocket over the past few months. That is because people are taking a profit out from their altcoin to the Bitcoin. So this is why I always say try to make sure you hold a huge amount of Bitcoin so that whenever the market is down, it should not look like it should not look like, for example, whenever the market did back down, most of the altcoins usually did back down with a huge percent. Yeah, good evening, guys. Jude, how are you all doing? Favor, miraculous, guys. I'm doing great. So I know that you guys want to go out for the weekend, so let's dive into the market. As you guys can see, guys, so the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin is still holding a huge percentage of the market. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin is holding about 64% of the Bitcoin the dominance, which show that the institution which are coming into the market right now, they are not buying altcoin, so they are buying Bitcoin. So that is because they know that Bitcoin hedge against inflation. So Bitcoin is still one of the strongest assets. So if your altcoins are not popping right now, don't be scared. That is because all the money that is coming into the market right now, they are going into Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin finally pop up and it drop down a little bit, so that is when the money will be flowing from Bitcoin to altcoin. So then you start see that the altcoin dominance, like Ethereum dominance and altcoin dominance, they will be coming back up. You can see that the Ethereum dominance is still holding about 7.4%. Just about a few months ago, Ethereum was holding about 10 to 11% dominance. You guys can see it over here. There was even a time was holding the Ethereum dominance was between about 18%. So you guys can see. So it was holding about 18%. Even when the altcoin was holding about 17%. But now the dominance of Bitcoin keep rising. We show that the big boys, they keep buying more Bitcoin. So you don't have to be scared that your altcoins are not popping. This is why I always try to make sure you hold a huge amount in. You try to make sure you hold a huge amount of Bitcoin, at least 40% in Bitcoin, so 20% in big cap like Ethereum, Solana, and 20% in meme coin. So the other 20% into your NFT sectors. So this, if you are watching from S, aka Twitter, head over to the YouTube channel at Charisco Crypto. Every single day I do live stream to encourage you guys to keep putting your Bitcoin. So you should not sell your Bitcoin and crypto to the waste, the way which are big boy. Guys, let's quickly see. So, guys, you guys can see this headline over here. Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of MicroStrategy, they said they have to raise a total of about $84 billion to purchase more Bitcoin. So, why did you think that Saylor want to raise more money to buy Bitcoin? So, even when they are already holding, even if as of today, when they are already holding 50, almost about $55 billion in Bitcoin, but they still have to raise more billions of dollars in total to hold $84 billion in Bitcoin. So, which is crazy. So, Michael Saylor is so smart. Don't think that, when a lot of people always say that, oh, so Bitcoin may be going to zero, Bitcoin is going to nowhere. Saylor is smart. So, don't forget that, just about a few years ago, Bitcoin was still trading between $3,000 even in 2017. So when Bitcoin fell back down to $3,000, so Saylor is so smart. So this is why he keep raising more money to buy more Bitcoin. So Saylor may be one of the first trillionaire in the next few years. Imagine Bitcoin head up to like $1 million per coin. Saylor will be one of the richest man on this planet for sure. He may be one of the first trillionaire. It may be. So even if as of today Bitcoin is still trading at $94,000, don't think that 94, 95, 97 Bitcoin as of now Bitcoin is heading back to like about $98,000. We are trading at 97,700. Maybe before the end of this stream, Bitcoin will even hit about $98,000. We just have about a few hundreds of dollars away, between about $300 away to $98,000, which is crazy. So Saylor is so smart. So he still keep buying. So guys, as you can see with this headline, latest $97,000, seller says that Bitcoin is forever. This is what I always say. Seller says that Bitcoin is forever. Bitcoin is here to stay. Our buy power, if you are holding fiat, it keep going down every single day. So one of the best assets to hold is Bitcoin. So this is why Michael Saylor keep buying more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So yeah, Sita, how are you all doing? So guys, if you have any question, drop it on the chat for sure. I will be going through the message so that we'll be able to discuss better. Yeah, guys, as I was saying just now, there is one meme coin, so which maybe we'll be looking into that later. So there's one meme coin which I do trade ash this thing like that. Okay, so which I hold fews of millions of the altcoins. So not millions in dollar, but millions in the meme coin. Okay, so I will be distributing it to you guys as the head of the month. So you guys who always tune in and share the stream. So for sure I will be sending it across to you guys. So guys, this is why I always say you always need to tune in and you always try to make sure you share the stream. Try to make sure you turn on your notification bell. So guys, Seller is saying that Bitcoin is here to stay forever. So we all know that. So Bitcoin is being guided by code, powered by miners all over the world, has a mass supply. So there is no any other asset like a Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is that money which here to change the financial system. So this is why even if Satoshi already know this, Satoshi knows that Bitcoin is here to change the money system, the financial system. If you look into the white paper of Bitcoin, you will know that so the paper money, the government money is not it's not even advisable to add it to keep it in back. So all you just need to do is to keep investing in a strong asset like Bitcoin. So guys, this data over here, this is where we are. This analysis, this data over here, show that Bitcoin may still be heading up from here, which is from this $98,000. We may be heading up from here. So we are still holding at $97,750. So this analysis here is showing us that the market may be heading up from here. So if history is on our side, but don't forget, if you're in profit, as I always say, try to make sure you take profit. It's very, very important. That is because we all know we can't predict the crypto market 100%. If anybody tell you that the market will be going up, so it will be Bitcoin will be in $150,000 next week. So we all know that it's a scam. So because you can't predict the market 100%, even when most of the data is saying that even when most of the data is saying that we are on track. That is because even if about an hour ago, I saw it on chain, someone move 1,100 or something Bitcoin to Coinbase. So what is he trying to do? These are way the big boys. So they are trying to manipulate the market. So imagine someone move 1,100 or something Bitcoin to Coinbase. What is he trying to do? He may decide to sell and buy in a lower price. So those are where people already bought Bitcoin, where Bitcoin was trading between $1, where Bitcoin was trading between $10,000, where Bitcoin was trading between $3,000. Those people had a huge amount of Bitcoin. Even if when history, every data is on track, so those big boys may decide to sell and push the market down for a while. So guys, this is what I'm saying. Not just the institution that keep buying, the big boys that keep buying, companies keep buying. Not just Saylor and his company, which is Strategy, is now called Strategy, because we all know that they brought the company from MicroStrategy to Strategy just about few months ago. Meta Planet is used 25 million in bonds to buy more Bitcoin. So guys, the big boys, as you guys can see, they keep buying and buying and buying. So imagine this is why which I showed you guys just now, the Bitcoin dominance. This is why the Bitcoin dominance is still skyrocketing. So in order for the altcoin to pop, that means the Bitcoin dominance has to drop down. So the money have to flow from Bitcoin to altcoin. So this is why even if when the altcoins are still not popping. So you don't have to be scared. That is because the most money are coming in, are going into Bitcoin. So the big boys, you guys can see it over here. Meta Planet they just have to sell their bonds, 25 million in bonds to buy Bitcoin. And why I focus so much, I know that most of you guys think, oh, so that means you don't hold altcoin. So I'm a Bitcoin master. No, I'm not a Bitcoin master. So one thing is that why I focus so much in Bitcoin is because we all know that once Bitcoin start popping hard, and this altcoin for sure they will start rising. If me, I invested so much in the meme coin sector, just let's say last cycle when everything was down, was buying most of the meme coin, which I know that they will pop up like about 10s, 20s, 50s. So that was when I started buying meme coin. So now I'm saying that be careful, don't buy meme coin. That is because I know that at this time, so the market is already way too up. Good evening, big bro. Good evening, big bro. How are you doing, senior bro? So guys, yeah. So the Bitcoin dominance keep rising. So we show that the market is still on track. So the big boys, the institution, they keep adding more money to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So guys, if you are just coming into the crypto market and you don't know how to invest, so it's simple. There is a link in the description of this video to sign up with a BYBIT. So you register with BYBIT, verify your document. They will give you an IBAN. With that IBAN, you'll be able to deposit either USDT if you have already have a USDT or USDC in any crypto platform, or you deposit in cash. So once you deposit cash, good, you can start investing as little as $2, $3 using a DCA dollar cost average into the crypto space. It's very, very important. So guys, not just Metaplan, you guys can see it over here. This is another huge news for the crypto space. Visa to integrate Visa don't have to integrate a stable coin into 150 million merchant network. So we all know that, like for example, most of the merchant right now, they can't use Visa and Mastercard. But right now, so they are partnering with Visa are partnering with merchant in order for them to use their cards, which is good. So guys, from Bitcoin and Gazi, so Browse University. Now they just let me move this camera so you guys can see it better. So this is Brown University. They just add Bitcoin to their portfolio. So every company around the world right now, so they are buying more Bitcoin. So to hold Bitcoin, so that is because they know that a Bitcoin hedge against inflation. So they know that a Bitcoin hedge against inflation. So every company right now, so they keep accumulating more Bitcoin. So this is why I say, guys, I'm sweating, man. So this is why when the Bitcoin dominance is still holding strong, it's still skyrocketing, and your altcoin is not popping, you have to know that the big boys they keep buying more Bitcoin. So you guys can see it over here. So companies now buy Bitcoin. Just about a few years ago, you can hear that Bitcoin is used for scam, Bitcoin is used for that. We all know that. That is not true. Just a quick reminder, we all know that just about a few months ago, the US add Bitcoin to their reserve. They haven't started buying yet. Even if as of today, let's quickly see. BlackRock, they are still holding how much they are holding. So as of today, BlackRock are still holding 607,000 Bitcoin. Last time we checked, they was holding about 601,000 Bitcoin. So you guys can see it over here. So this is a BlackRock. Let's quickly look at their buy data. You can see for the past few months, so BlackRock, they haven't sold one Bitcoin. So for the past few months, you can see that everything is on green. So just in between, this is, okay, I showed you guys this data yesterday. This was 1st of May, which is yesterday. They bought 3,636 Bitcoin. It's crazy. That is about almost $1 billion in Bitcoin. Thank you, my man. Thank you, J-boy. So guys, always if you are not holding a decentralized wallet, try to make sure if you are watching me, try to make sure you have a Solana decentralized wallet, either Phantom or anyone. It's very, very Phantom is simple. So you can receive a NFT, you can receive a meme coin. Even if you don't even know much about a decentralized wallet, it's simple. Download the Phantom wallet. So you try to make sure you keep your seed phrase safe. It's very, very important. Keep your seed phrase safe. Boom. So you can start even if a trading meme coin with about $5, $10. So don't go all in. That is what I always say. It's not a financial advice, but that is what has been working for me. But if you know, let's say for example, you now understand the market, you can decide to go all in. So there's still a lot of money to make in the meme coin sectors, man. That's one of the way to flip $10 to $1,000 between a two keys of an eye. But don't forget that is still one of the ways to lose $1,000 if you don't understand the market. So don't go all in. It's very, very important. So guys, the big boys, they keep holding more Bitcoin. So as you guys can see, let's quickly look at Fidelity. Fidelity, I think that they sold some just about like a week, about 2 days, 2 days ago, our live stream when we checked this. Fidelity was holding above 200, between 200 and 1,000 Bitcoin. But today it's like they sold 3,000 Bitcoin, but BlackRock buy more. You guys can see. So Fidelity took a profit. They sold some, but BlackRock bought more. Let's quickly see over here. You can see. So BlackRock, Fidelity sold 1,400. You guys can see. So they sold here, but BlackRock bought. So you guys can see. So they just added the 264 just yesterday. But on the 30, they sold. That is why they are Bitcoin holding. You guys can see it over there that it's slightly down more than a few days ago during the time when we checked it few days ago. That's because a few days ago they was holding above 200,000 Bitcoin. So now they are holding 298 Bitcoin. So BlackRock, they keep buying more and more Bitcoin. So we show that, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Tether posted 1 billion Q1 operations profit. Guys, there's more money to make in the crypto space. Tether, which is a crypto company, so which the company behind the USDT. So just in Q1 alone, they made about $1 billion in profit. So that their total reserve is now worth about $5.6 billion. So which is crazy. So the crypto sector, so what you just need to do is to try to embrace something, doing, try to find something doing in the crypto space. Guys, that's because there's more money to make in the crypto space for sure. So you don't have to be scared. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So there's more money to make. We are still early in the crypto market. As once again, guys, if you are watching from S, aka Twitter, so head over to the YouTube channel. There's a link in my bio. So head over to the Twitter channel or check out Charisco Crypto. So check it out on YouTube. Follow me. Press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live, you will get notified. So we'll be able to discuss about Bitcoin and crypto. So we are still early in the market so that we can grow together. So we could be able to achieve a financial freedom and wife-changing wealth, not just a life-changing wealth, a wife-changing wealth, according to as one of my good friends always say, a wife-changing wealth. So then what we will be doing is go to the gym, as I always do. You go to the gym, you eat good, travel around the world. You must not have to do your 9 to 5 every single day in order for you to make money, guys. So it's very, very important. So all you just have to do by then, you go to the gym, come back, eat good, travel around the world, So that is life, bro. So you must not have to do 9 to 5, work for someone, work every single day in order for you. That is not the life. If deep inside yourself, that is not even the life you want to live. So if you keep working, and inflation, you keep eating away your money. Do you believe that in this era of today, there are people who believe that they have to work and save their money in bank so they will be able to get a financial? How could you be able to achieve a financial freedom in that way? Which is crazy, guys. So one of the best ways to invest in a strong asset. So this is why I say start with Bitcoin. That is because the most people, if you don't understand the market, imagine people who person come into the market, put all your money in meme coin, and you don't even know how to sell, or you don't even know how to buy. You don't even know when the market is up and when the market is down. So this is how I say. So when you are coming into the market, so start with a low risk asset. Even if investing in Bitcoin is already a risk, but invest in a low risk asset because Bitcoin is little less riskier than those altcoin and meme coin. So when you understand the market, you can totally go all in. So European Union to ban anonymous crypto and privacy token by 2027. So guys, this is true. So if you are European, say for example, all those unknown tokens. So like for example, even if which is let me see, Monero. You go to ban anonymous cryptos, which is a privacy token by the which is a Monero. Like Monero is a privacy token. So we all know, like for example, blockchain is transparent. But like for example, once you swap your cryptocurrency to Monero, you will see them on blockchain. So this is the what in now. Let's say for example, when those BYBIT hackers they hacks BYBIT just about about a month ago, a few weeks ago. So what happens is that they have to try to make sure that they convert their crypto to Monero in order for them not to see it on blockchain. So we show that it's a privacy token. So guys, always tune in, smash the like, press the subscribe button. So at least it will always share this stream. It will give you an opportunity to win some cryptocurrency. So guys, the tariff which is still going on between China and US, which we all know that is still affecting the market, the crypto market. So we hope that they really brought it down. They really be able to at least talk about this so that at least the crypto market will start booming once again. China says that it's evaluating the possibility of a trade talk with the US. So at the beginning of this, even if President Trump was the one who was pushing this so hard, which is crazy. So we hope that they will be able to resolve this so that even if the stock market they are down right now, guys, okay, we are still about $400 away from $78,000. So the market is still holding strong. Most of the altcoins are still holding strong. Let me refresh the market slightly. 97,700. This is the altcoin. Even if the past 24 hours, they are still holding strong. Even if the Monero too, Monero is still slightly up with the past 24 hours, still up with about, it's still up with almost about 6%, which is a 5.49%, which is still not bad. Let's quickly look. Even in okay, Trump meme coin still holding between almost about $13. So guys, if you are in the top 220 holders of Trump token, which I'll say I already told you guys about a week ago. So you will be opportunity to join Trump at his dinner with all, let's say between end of this month. So and according to Adrotate too, so if you are holding a daddy, if you are holding a top 20, if you are in top 20 holding a daddy, you will also be able to opportunity to join him at dinner. So maybe this is one of the best way to meet one of your favorite celebrity. So like for a person like Trump to be able to meet him. So let's say for example, in order for you to be in top 220 holding of Trump token, that means you have to hold almost about $400,000 to $500,000 in his token, which is crazy. That is quite huge. So it's not for the poor. So guys, just your question on the chat. So let's do a little Q&A. So we call it a day. So I will figure it out in the next few days how I will be able to send the main coin across to you guys who always tune in during the stream. Yeah, evening. Sit as a chief. I'm Charlie. Bro, the reality is that Bitcoin and crypto has made me realize that, so with crypto, we can all achieve the financial freedom together. So you must not have to work for anyone doing 9 to 5 every single day. So, but it will take time. So that does not mean you don't have to you have to stop working right now. No, but keep working, invest your side money, any money which you don't need, now. So you can invest it in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Yeah, greetings, Rebel. How are you doing? J boy, happy new month. Say crypto guru. How are you be? Happy new month, guys. Happy new month. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Web3 is the future of finance, my man. Web3 is the future of finance to give power to the people. So imagine the government money is not, it's not the future. Just about 2022, when NFT was booming, even if which is the boy 8 years club team, which is called Ugalab. Yeah, so Ugalab dropped about $100,000 it took it to each holding of their JPEG. So that was what Ugalab did 2022. Not just Ugalab, which is this in what is that NFT team called again? They also did the same, which is let me bring out OpenSea, man. OpenSea. There is this NFT team which also will give away. They also give out NFT holding, which is called okay, Pujin. Pujin also did a giveaway, which is an NFT giveaway, which is an airdrop just about a few months ago. They also airdrop not less than $100,000 to each person who was holding their JPEG, which is crazy. So this shows that so Web3 is the future of finance. In Web3, we grow together. But the government money, inflation keep eating away our buy power every single day. Inflation keep eating away our buy power every single day. One of the best way is for you to invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. My seller is just still buying back to back. The guy is not sleeping, man. So he want to own all the Bitcoin. So they're already holding about 530 something thousand Bitcoin. So when BlackRock is already holding 604,000, which we just saw just now. So we show that the big boys, they keep accumulating. So they keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. They keep buying more Bitcoin every single day. So that is because they want all the wealth to come to them. So all we just need to do is to use DCA, dollar cost average. So they keep using. We just have to keep using dollar cost average. So in order for we to achieve a financial freedom, that is one of the best ways. So using a dollar cost average this year is one of the best strategies. Even if a Michael Saylor, so Michael Saylor is still using DCA, either the market is up or is down, but he keep buying regardless whether the market is down or is up. So Marcelo keep buying and buying and buying. Yeah, we figure out miraculous. I will figure out where you guys will drop the address, the Solana address. So I will figure it out in the next few days. So I will let you guys know where to drop the address. So to know where what I will send, if it's NFT or so I will let you guys know the video. So during our live stream, so if it's NFT or the meme coin. So I believe I will send the meme coin to you guys. I will buy more of that. I already holding more enough of that meme coin so to sell to you guys. So guys, as always, smash the like, press the subscribe button. Don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With crypto, we shall all achieve financial freedom together. Not just financial freedom, a life-changing world. So that I can see you guys in Bitcoin Conference 20. So which year will it be possible to see you guys all there? So you guys let me know on the chat. So guys, Las Vegas Bitcoin Conference will be in, which is the 2024 Bitcoin Conference will be in Las Vegas, US. So the Bitcoin Conference 2025. So which will be happening in the next few weeks. So next few weeks, let's say between a month. So which will be happening between a month. So guys, smash the like, press the subscribe button, share the stream with your friends and family. So tell them about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So they should be tuning in for them to get encouragement to invest more. Not a financial advice, but this is what has been working for me over the past few years, between half a decade, more than half a decade right now. So investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. so we could be able to achieve a financial freedom. So see you all tomorrow, because I will be streaming tomorrow. I will try my best. I will be streaming tomorrow so that we could be able to also discuss about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. See you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. Charisco is out.